Have you ever wondered how farming has evolved over the centuries? It all began with the most rudimentary of tools, a stick to dig the earth, a stone to crush the grain. As time progressed, man harnessed the power of animals. Plows drawn by oxen or horses turned the soil, making the process a bit less laborious. Farming in those days was a constant battle against the elements. A particularly harsh winter or a prolonged drought could wipe out a year's hard work, leaving the farmer with nothing to show for his efforts. And then there was the sheer physicality of it all. Imagine spending long hours in the field, under the scorching sun or in the biting cold, tilling the land, planting the seeds, and harvesting the crop. This was the reality for farmers around the world for centuries. Limited productivity, labor intensiveness, and high susceptibility to weather conditions were the challenges they faced. But the days of the simple hand tools and animal-powered equipment are long gone. Indeed, farming has come a long way from the simple hand tools and animal-powered equipment of the past. Enter the era of modern farming machines, a game-changer in the agriculture industry. In the past, farming was a labor-intensive task, demanding hours of toil under the sun. Flash forward to today, and we see a revolution. A revolution brought about by the advent of modern farming machines. Machines that have not just brought about a change, they've rewritten the rules of the game. Let's start with the tractor. It's the workhorse of the modern farm. With its power and versatility, the tractor has replaced the traditional plow. It can do in an hour what would have taken a day by hand, tilling the soil and preparing it for planting. Then there's the combine. This incredible piece of machinery is three machines in one: a harvester, a thresher, and a winnower. It can harvest an entire field, separate the grain from the chaff, and leave behind a clean field ready for the next crop, all in a single pass. Next up we have planters and seed drills. These machines have made planting a breeze. They can distribute seeds uniformly across a field, ensuring optimal growth and yield. No more sowing seeds by hand. These machines have made the process swift, accurate, and efficient. And let's not forget sprayers. These machines have made pest control and nutrient management more efficient. Instead of laboriously spraying each plant, these machines can cover vast areas in a short time, ensuring every plant gets the nutrients it needs and is protected from pests. But these machines are not just about efficiency and labor reduction. They're about improving crop yield too. With their precision and power, they ensure that every seed planted has the best chance of growing into a healthy crop. These modern machines are revolutionizing farming. They're replacing hours of back-breaking labor with efficient, powerful machinery. They're making farming more sustainable, more productive, and more profitable. These machines have not only transformed farming but have also made it possible to meet the growing food demand of an ever-increasing population. Now let's dive into a comparative analysis of traditional farming methods and modern farming machines. When it comes to efficiency, modern farming machines take the cake. They can perform tasks like planting, harvesting, and tilling much faster than human hands or animal-drawn equipment. Next, let's consider labor requirements. Traditional methods often involve a large workforce, while a single modern machine can do the work of many, reducing the need for physical labor. On the cost-effectiveness front, though the initial investment for modern machines might be steep, their long-term benefits in terms of increased production and reduced labor costs make them a more economical choice. Lastly, the environmental impact. While traditional farming methods can lead to soil erosion and nutrient depletion, modern machines are designed to minimize these impacts, contributing to sustainable farming practices. Clearly, the scale tips in favor of modern farming machines when compared to traditional farming methods. So, what does this shift towards modern farming machines mean for our farmers and the world at large? Well, the benefits are immense and far-reaching. Modern farming machines are revolutionizing the agricultural sector. They're boosting productivity to levels previously unattainable. With these machines, farmers can cultivate larger areas in less time, leading to bountiful harvests. But it's not just about productivity. They're also driving down labor costs. By automating tasks that once required a multitude of hands, farmers can devote their resources to other vital areas of their operations. Perhaps the most profound impact, however, lies in the realm of sustainability. Modern farming machines are designed to be more efficient and environmentally friendly. They contribute to reduced waste, lower emissions, and improved soil health. Moreover, they play a crucial role in bolstering the global food supply. By enhancing efficiency and productivity, these machines ensure we're able to feed the ever-growing global population. In conclusion, modern farming machines are not just a boon for farmers, but are also instrumental in securing our future food supply.